Imagine holding a grain of sand in your hand. It's a simple act, yet it connects you to the vastness of the cosmos. It's a tiny, seemingly insignificant speck of matter, often overlooked and underappreciated. Yet, within that grain lies a universe of atoms, the fundamental building blocks of everything we see, touch, and experience. Each atom, a marvel of nature, holds secrets of the universe. Atoms are minuscule, yet they possess an inherent energy, a vibrancy that belies their size. This energy is the heartbeat of the universe, a silent symphony playing out in the smallest of scales. This energy, in its various forms and interactions, constitutes the very fabric of our reality. It shapes the world around us, from the warmth of the sun to the glow of a firefly. But could it also hold the key to understanding something as profound and elusive as consciousness? The very essence of our being, our thoughts, and our dreams. The human mind, in all its complexity, arises from the interactions of billions of neurons. These neurons communicate through electrical impulses, creating the symphony of our thoughts. These neurons, in turn, are composed of trillions upon trillions of atoms, each buzzing with its own inherent energy. This energy fuels the brain, enabling it to process information, feel emotions, and create memories. This intricate dance of atomic energy, constantly in flux, somehow gives rise to our thoughts, emotions, and sense of self. It's a dance that has been ongoing since the dawn of time, a dance that defines our very existence. The question that has captivated scientists and philosophers for centuries is how? How does this atomic energy translate into the rich tapestry of human experience? The quest for this answer continues, driving us to explore the deepest mysteries of the universe. The scientific perspective often attributes seemingly improbable events to the laws of probability. With billions of people on Earth, each experiencing countless events daily, the likelihood of statistically improbable occurrences becomes increasingly plausible. What may seem like a 1 in a million chance to an individual is, on a global scale, a relatively common occurrence. Scientists argue that our brains are wired to seek patterns and meaning, even in random events. This tendency, known as apophenia, can lead us to perceive connections and significance where none actually exist. For example, we might see a familiar face in a cloud formation, or believe that a series of unrelated events are part of a larger, meaningful pattern. Furthermore, our limited perception of time can skew our understanding of probability. We tend to focus on the present moment, neglecting the vast tapestry of events that have led to this point. When viewed within the context of a lifetime or even the entire span of human history, seemingly impossible coincidences become statistically more probable. The human brain is a marvel of biological engineering, a testament to the intricate organization of matter. It is a complex organ that has evolved over millions of years, enabling us to think, feel, and experience the world in ways that are still not fully understood. Within its folds and convolutions, billions of neurons fire in concert, their electrical impulses creating a symphony of activity. These neurons communicate with each other through synapses, forming an intricate network that underlies every thought, memory, and emotion we experience. Each neuron, however, is ultimately composed of atoms, those fundamental units of matter that govern the behavior of the physical world. At the atomic level, the structure of a neuron is a delicate balance of various elements, each playing a crucial role in its function. If consciousness is indeed an emergent property of this complex interplay of atoms, then understanding the behavior of these minuscule particles could unlock profound insights into the nature of our own minds. The way these atoms interact and combine to form molecules, and how these molecules in turn form the structures within our neurons, is a subject of intense scientific investigation. Could it be that the very arrangement of atoms within our brains, the specific configuration of their energy states, determines the quality and character of our conscious experiences? This question drives researchers to explore the quantum realm, where the behavior of particles can seem almost magical, yet holds the key to understanding the very essence of consciousness. This tantalizing possibility lies at the heart of the quest to unravel the mysteries of consciousness. Scientists and philosophers alike are drawn to this enigma, seeking to comprehend how the physical processes within our brains give rise to the rich tapestry of human experience. The journey to uncover these secrets is ongoing, promising to deepen our understanding of what it means to be conscious. While classical physics struggles to explain the subjective nature of consciousness, quantum mechanics, with its embrace of uncertainty and superposition, offers intriguing possibilities. Quantum mechanics reveals a world where particles exist in multiple states at once, their fates determined by probabilities rather than deterministic laws. Could it be that consciousness itself operates at the quantum level, with our thoughts and experiences emerging from a sea of quantum possibilities? This is the central tenet of quantum consciousness theories, which propose that the brain acts as a kind of quantum computer, harnessing the strangeness of the quantum realm to generate our subjective reality. One prominent theory that attempts to bridge the chasm between quantum mechanics and consciousness is Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff's orchestrated objective reduction, or ORCH-OR. This theory posits that quantum computations occur within microtubules, tiny structures found within neurons, and that these computations are responsible for our conscious awareness. According to ORCH-OR, consciousness arises when these quantum computations collapse or reduce into a single state, influencing the firing of neurons and ultimately shaping our thoughts and perceptions. While still highly speculative, ORCH-OR provides a compelling framework for understanding how the strangeness of the quantum world could bleed into our everyday experiences. Some argue that consciousness is an emergent property, arising from the complex interactions of billions of neurons, much like the wetness of water emerges from the interactions of countless water molecules. However, this analogy only goes so far. While we can explain the properties of water in terms of its constituent molecules, explaining the subjective feel of wetness in purely physical terms remains a formidable challenge. Similarly, while we may one day map every neuron and synapse in the brain, the question remains: will this intricate map ever fully capture the essence of what it feels like to be human, to experience the world in all its vibrancy and subjectivity? The answer, for now, remains shrouded in mystery. The quest to understand consciousness is a journey into the unknown, a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our desire to unravel the mysteries of our own existence. As we delve deeper into the realms of neuroscience, quantum physics, and computer science, we inch closer to unraveling the secrets of the mind. New technologies, such as brain-computer interfaces and advanced imaging techniques, are providing unprecedented insights into the workings of the brain. As our understanding of the brain's complexity deepens, we may discover that consciousness, far from being an intractable enigma, is a fundamental property of the universe, woven into the very fabric of reality. Perhaps, as we continue to explore the universe within and the universe beyond, we will discover that they are not so different after all. Perhaps consciousness, in its various forms, is not a rare and isolated phenomenon, but rather a fundamental aspect of reality, woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. Perhaps the atoms that make up our bodies and brains are not merely inert building blocks, but rather tiny pockets of awareness, each contributing to the grand symphony of cosmic consciousness. And perhaps, as we come to understand the true nature of our own minds, we will unlock the secrets of the universe itself, revealing a reality far stranger and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May it inspire you to embrace the mystery, to seek out the extraordinary in the everyday, and to always remain open to the possibility of the miraculous. For in the end, it is this sense of wonder and curiosity that makes life truly magical.